Are you hungry? Yes, I'm very hungry. Great, let's eat. This restaurant looks nice.
Hi, how many?
2, please. Can we sit by the window?
Of course, follow me.
Arshia, what's on the menu? Burgers and fries. I like burgers. Me too. Me too.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like some water, please. Can I have orange juice?
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a chicken sandwich. And I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. I want fries. Would you like anything else? Maybe some ketchup.
Good choice.
How long will our food take? I'm not sure. Let's wait. I'm so hungry.
Here you go.
Wow. My burger and my sandwich looks delicious. And look at the fries. Arshia, can I have some ketchup? Sure. Let's ask the server. Excuse me, can I have some ketchup, please?
Of course.
How is your burger? It's really good. Do you like the fries? Yes. They're delicious. Excuse me, can we have the check, please?
Absolutely.
What is the check? It tells us how much we need to pay. What did we learn today? Menu, order, drink, fries, ketchup, and check. Excellent! I also learned one more thing. What?